All right, guys, so we got the arboleaf, and I just went through doing the settings. So, hey, son, you want to come over here? We're going to put you on so you can see how it's going to pop up. But what I want to talk to you guys about is you have the ability, you have...
I just want to move it off like
Perfect,
that,
dude. So you have four different electrodes for your feet, and then you have 4 for your hands as well. But what I really want to show you guys is going to be, while he's over there messing with it, is going to be the in-depth report. This thing is going to show you 50 different analytics when it comes to all this stuff, which is super important. On those analytics, yes, sir.
And the bottom one is going higher for me.
Yep, so he can step on both electrodes, which makes it nice. So you have everything from body, water, protein, body fat mass, bone mass. You have muscle fat analysis, you have fat analysis, weight control, muscle balance, and then segmental fat analysis, which is super sweet. Just being able to see that, your other measurements and everything, all within the app itself. So it's giving you this based on you picking it up and running through it. Guys, this thing is super sweet.
Now the top is going higher.
The top is going higher, but as he messes around with it, you're able to see everything within this system, rip-roaring and ready to go. Kind of what makes it different. I have a lot of different scales, but I'll tell you what, this might be one of the most in-depth pieces of information I've gotten out of a scale. So definitely got to check it out.
The